Savers, and for those who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Saba and this is Savoring with Saba. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and delicious ST-Germain Champagne cocktail. But first, if you haven't already subscribed, click that subscription button below. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's cocktail. The ingredients you'll need for today's cocktail are champagne, ST-Germain, and festive garnishes. The first step in this process is to pour the ST-Germain into the glass. Now you want to top this with champagne. Whoa, that could have been bad. Now it's time to get fun and creative with the cocktail. I love using cranberries, mint, and rosemary. Alright Savers, this is the final product. Look how cute this is. I actually used cranberries and mint this time, but you can use rosemary too. I'm getting the bubbly from the champs, the sweetness from the ST-Germain. Because we're using a brut champagne, you can pair this with my lemon and parmesan crusted chicken. I'll link that video above and put that in the description box below. Go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Stay safe and happy savoring.